Hello, 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 welcome back, everybody. How we doing? So we're doing game stuffs again. Nerd Waffle, it's good to see you. Darth Chaos, good to see you. Everybody, good to see you. So I'm testing out this plugin from Ovani Sound that I have no idea how it works. I tried watching the tutorial. It kind of makes sense, but it's freezing. Great. Come on. So the plugin is a footsteps plugin that that the tutorial was like, oh yeah, it just works. Well, what do you mean it just works? And why the fuck can't I change this? So there are some things with it that I can't wrap my head around what exactly it's supposed to be doing and why. So the way that it looks like it works is that somehow it can tell what the ground is, which is what I'm having a hard time figuring out is, how's it know what it is? Because I had this map is one giant ass texture. Like what's it using to determine what it is? But let's see if it does determine anything. Yep, broken. So it adds in a ray collider. Says it's going to be a collision object 3D, but terrain object or terrain 3D is not collision object. Let's look at 3D. What does it? I mean, let's see if we do that. curious how accurate this mesh is here. Also curious because look at that shit. Actually, that isn't too bad. It's the map maker that is pretty heavy, huh? So let me now change out the view here. Just in this, look how many fucking primitives are showing up there. That, no. Even then, hell. And now we're stuck. Something's being weird. Why is it being weird? Make it stop being weird. Somebody. Nerd Waffle. I choose you. Fix my shit. It just doesn't want to go under there, does it? Oh. Yeah, let's just save some. Why? Okay, so let's play because I put the sound thingy on there. Wait, no, that was a oh, that's the other problem. It's still running, but if collision child is foot material tag. So that's the thing, the fucking tutorial for it, the only documentation Doesn't say a goddamn thing about that tag. It just says plug and play. Um, okay, let's see
Hello,
what this
ladies and
says.
gentlemen. It's Mike here at Game from Scratch, and today we're going to be looking at two of the Godot plugins from the Melodic Mayhem bundle. Now, this is an here and turn it on as an auto load or anything like that. It's just a set of extensions. So the GD script you need to make things work, audio effects in there as well. So all the relevant links will be down below. So now that you have the option of specifying two major things here, plus the speed that your character moves, finds your texture, and it says, okay, it's a lawn texture. I said, okay, so we want to be in dirt and grass. And that's basically how the mapping between the sound and the textures work. Again, there are other options here for doing tagging in your collision shape and defining what it's called in that regard. That wasn't documented or covered. This seems to be the only way that it works in the example. So if you want to create your own new additional element, you can do so right here. And create it that way. Of course, you also have the option of creating your own entire foot profile, and then you do this foot profile material specification class right there. So we could add a new oops, I did not mean to do that one. I meant to do down at the bottom here, add a new category completely. And then when you add a new category, when you open it up, you can notice, again, you name it. So let's say we're walking on Jello. And then what I would do is say all of the names that map with Jello. So I could do similar names, and then I specify the sound to play on a soft step, a medium step, a hard step, a scuff, a landing, and so on. And you can specify multiple sounds. That's where you get like the randomness involved in it. So that is how you would set up your own materials and how you interact with them in the game world. Pretty simple stuff.
All right, so I'm not thrilled about that. I was excited temporarily, but it does not work with Terrain 3D. So hold on, Terrain. Well, you know what? We could. We could test this out, you know, or see. Buttermilk Pancake, how you doing? Been a little bit, hasn't it? If we look at the map maker, and let's see what it actually looks like. Wow, Buttermilk Pancake, congratulations. Sorry that you're getting your ass beat by higher learning, but congrats on the third child. Wait, last Thursday, wasn't that kind of rude of you to put the child's birthday so close to Father's Day? Assuming, I don't know, what the hell am I assuming? Um, it's not like Christmas or Halloween. Never mind. Forget everything. What am I talking? Hey, look over there. It's a distraction. Half res, but why the fuck am I seeing all that stuff? What did I turn on? I don't know what I turned on here to see all the things, and I don't want to see all the things. Ah! Hello, the boo boo boo. I don't know what I turned on here to see all this shit. Definitely was not that intentional. Guys, look at all those primitives that it's like all of a sudden popping out at me. There, that's much gooder. That is much gooder. Now, if I can do it without the environment and turn on my light, it's just something that got a little stuck. Just a little bitty stuck. Excuse me. So what it comes down to, hey, Live or Die, good to see you. Buttermilk Pancake, learn Godot as a side hobby. Well, if you aren't already subbed to me on YouTube as a side hobby, I have been putting out some Godot tutorials here and there. I need to think of the next one. I think the next one, which is funny that I'm doing it this way, but I think I'll do another 2D tutorial about animation trees and animation state machines. It's had some questions about that. And you know what? I'm actually using it on here too, to a point. Well, no, City's got some animation, but yeah, I don't know how to use this plugin with Terrain 3D. Well, before you dive down a staircase headfirst, just make sure that you tell all of your friends, coworkers, family, and everybody else to sub as well. I'm on that path to monetization, and well, for the real chance, I'm about a little over a quarter of the way there. For getting some other things, just like being able to have super or money messages or whatever the equivalent is over on YouTube, I am a little bit over halfway there. okay, let's see here. So what is that mesh? Oh, that's that thing. The cam shader. Let's put that cam shader right up in your business. I think you might be the first person who's ever called me an influenza. Hey, tell you what, let's trade. I need a job building websites. You need something different. You stream, I'll do your job. Please. Please. I honestly highly recommend streaming your learning process if you're comfortable with it. If that's a big one. If you're comfortable with it. If not, then don't force yourself. But it has helped me focus. Is as weird as it sounds. Let's turn off refraction here. It gets about a quarter meter away from the proximity of what? Wait. Yep. Nope. 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 Do a gradient 2D for the texture here because check this shit out. Radial. And here. Oh, that looks so much better, doesn't it? Instead of squares floating around. It does. Yeah, it does. It was a rhetorical question. I know it looks good. That really adds so much to it. Just these little things. All right, so we were going to try out auto footsteps here. Let's see what the collider is, right? And this... All right, let's see. Let's untype it. Let's press the play and let's see what we're getting here in the output. It's map maker. All right, so then let's see if I get at least one of them. No, I don't think so. Recast response, hit collider. All right, so what the fuck do we do with this? Collider ID. Basically looking here. All right, so it's looking for one of the synonyms. Basically synonym toast crunch is what it wants to find. But that's not the case. In new texture, or let's see, resource, can't do that. Name, new. Oh, this is a read-only object. Okay, so let's go to map maker here. Take a look. Trail. Grass. Rock. Okay, great. Resource. There you go. It would be really nice if I could add a custom, like custom data on there of some sort. Um, Here's a texture list. Editor description, but okay, mesh. Not a thing. Collision, not anything I could do here. Renderer, nope. Not seeing that there. So what we're looking for, I was hoping I could get like a custom bit data. Add metadata. Type. Just a string, yo. Now, is that something I could do here? Add metadata, type, add. We're going to make this grass. Trail. Can't save that. And then if I go back here to the level, and we look at it in the map maker, that's been updated. Let's take a look here. Metadata data. Oh, okay, trail. So it's showing that. Now, can I, within the output here, if I look at this, hit collider, get children. Are we still running? Process 8th. Okay, material, air, no, bad. Okay, that's the ID. Now, there's no shape, which is fine. But if we look at it, is it going to tell me what? Is there a way to tell what material is where? I'd imagine that would be in the terrain 3D. Okay, double precision. No, let's see. Picturing terrain. Yes, we did that. We did this. We did this. Munglo. How you doing, my friend? Good to see you. No, that is not it. don't want to export. All I want to do is zoom, 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 and a boom, boom, just shake your rump. No, that's not what I meant. Hey, progress is progress, right? So, okay, property description. What the fuck? So here's what I'm trying to do. Using Terrain 3D, I want to find out what is... Oh, God damn it. If it's possible... But you'll know. Doesn't matter if it's deep in the ProcGen code. You'll know that you put in the effort, and you'll know that it works because of what you've used. Excuse me. No, no. Excuse me. So, Munglo, do you have any recommendations for, wait, hold that thought. Um, recommendations on how to create footsteps, because I'm using this thingy. Excuse me. Or at least I was trying to use this thingy from Ovani. Ovani. The footsteps plugin. However, there's a limitation with it. There is a limitation with the plugin where it requires it requires that the thing you're walking on be a collision shape. That's fair. However, this fucker's gonna die. Where you go? That's what I thought. There's a little fruit fly or something just like right around me, and oh no, this is not just a sound. Here, I'll show you the demo. Maybe. Let's try that again. 1 second. So let me show you what this one does. Hold on. I'm going to crank it up. So this is supposed to do all that, right? This is supposed to be a plugin that just works. TM, copyright, patent pending. However, it's requiring that the hit collider be a collision object, and then it's checking for a tag within that collision object of some name that will tell it to use a certain type of footstep. And so the thing is supposed to be, you know, if you're on different textures, it automatically switches between, which is good. It's a good thing. However, our map is made with Map Maker. And so it doesn't have that. Even when I have the remote showing, when I'm running it, it doesn't really tell that. It's using all, you know, the collision mesh that it generates here. Oh, I've got the code for the plugin. That's what I was looking at. Wait, which plugin? Because Terrain 3D is Julian Velez. Welcome in. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. First time chat. I appreciate you being here. Oh yeah, the code for it is here. I mean, they can't really give a Godot plugin, but it's looking specifically. Well, I was trying to do that, and it's a misunderstanding, I guess, on my part here, like so many things are, of, let's see, where'd you go here? All right, so it's looking for a collider. Collider don't live here no more. So let's look at the output really quick. And hit collider, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so raycast response, collider. Actually, collider gives me that. So let me reset this shit. And so hit collider object ID. Is that if I look at here, It's remote terrain 3D. It is a it's custom. So it's map maker. We've got material and texture list. Now looking here, yeah, I'm trying to find exactly where it does that, but it's like not readily visible. It's a resource. Only what I'm looking at right now is through the plugin to raycast, and this is what's getting brought back is the raycast response, and then if we're looking at the whole response, glider, and then resource ID. Where? Well, the raycast is working. The raycast in the plugin is working, so I'd assume that the raycast outside of the plugin is working. But we can try that. We can get out of here. It's hitting the terrain. Yeah, that's a problem. I don't understand what the terrain actually is, but I just deleted that. So let's see if I can get that breakpoint again real quick. And break. There we are. All right, so let me step down really quick. So to show you what is going on here, we look at 3D. The auto footsteps is a node 3D, and within it, there is no default sound. The way the plugin works is a whole thing. Let's concentrate first on trying to figure out how the fuck it's actually receiving stuff. Let me put it, you know what? Let me see if that is a thing, because where get material. Material, okay, blah 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 blah. Where the hell was that? Foot profile. Ooh, that sounds like a that's the name of my OnlyFans. Refresh foot material. Okay. So here it is doing a raycast, facing down, right? and it's looking for a collider. So we are seeing a collider. Now that collider here is this terrain 3D. But the terrain 3D is oh, that's not it. I've got texture, I've got collision layer, but I'm not seeing where an actual collision shape is hiding. I'm not seeing it here either. Which is the weirdest part to me. I need the shape to know where on... I would like to know what I'm actually walking on. I would like to know where the mesh that I'm walking on exists. All that stuff aside, this can be a purely academic exercise of me trying to learn shit of why am I not falling through the ground? Let's forget tags, let's forget any of that. Why do I exist? What is preventing me from not dying? Oh, okay, ads are starting. I will be back in about 3 minutes. Welcome in,
And
Raiders.
insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 taking a step, just got some Raiders. Raiders, taking a step, just got some Raiders. You raided me, thank you. You raided me, thank you. Raiders, 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 taking a step, just got some Raiders.
Welcome you in, Uperiel. How are you doing? What were you working on? You know the drill. Creates textures and textures array in rendering server. Okay, so yay! Wait, no. So with that being said here, rendering server. Server for anything visible. Slay the spire. Ah! My power has been matched. Caw! Let's see. Godot. Get object by rid. Well, that's a way old question. Okay. So let's play around with this. This is good learning stuff. Cancel. So readers coming in who don't know me, I'm JD, currently working on a game about a scary ass bear. Who doesn't like fire at all. I'm trying to figure out some sound stuff. var equals okay, so this is raycast response. Okay, let's see.
Thank you, new followers. You're the real
Quantigen, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the team. Glad that you're here. Let's see if we're walking on the sun. Walking on. Okay. All right. So if I could go here, no, hey, where? Ooh. Okay. Godot load by ID. Instance from ID. There we go. That's what we want, right? Var object inst equals walking on. Still needs work. Hey, welcome in. How you doing? Do. This is from ID returns the object, but all objects have unite. Creeping on the scope? Yes, you are. That needs to be an animated emote, doesn't it? We need more emotes. I am doing pretty all right. Did you get my response? I saw your whispers. I don't know if you joined up yet, and also Raiders coming in. I have a Discord now. Instance ID, instance from ID. Okay, so walking on is a thingy here, but we're not getting it based on the ID. So this should be raycast response, the RID. Okay, okay. Right on. I can only imagine you're that new person work complete, because when you get off of watching people, you're like, still needs work, none anymore. Work complete. Oh, this is going to work running it from here. We need to run it from the level. Get on my level. Okay, walking on is get ID from the raycast response RID. And we have that, right? Walking on. This is the thing. And object instance should be instance from ID of that, but it is a null. It's a null. Still, it's a null. So I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's see if we take that out. I'm not hearing any footsteps at all. So let's reset that and now see. No, nothing. But listen to this. Oh yeah. So Let's contribute to open source here. How about that? Okay. Issues. Mr. Cha 9999, welcome in. Ayo. Good to see ya. Ooh, you have a nice little icon there. Destiny 2, the final shape raid race. Very cool. Working on asset placer. Integrate with terrain 3D. Okay, so let's see. Oh. Detecting. You run a recast outside the regions. Okay, terrain. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so we have. Is there? Ooh, I don't know. Are there any drops? Because you know what? Excuse me. Because it is Wildcard Wednesday. And my brain meat is I'm thinking, I know that I have an idea of what to do with this. I know what I would like to do with it. Drops. But tomorrow, the new season of who's it? Overwatch starts up, and I am fucking excited. Well, I mean, one of the rewards for Battle Pass is going to be a new Hammond skin, which looks great. And two, okay, you know what? We're just gonna watch this. You gotta watch till the end of this. I mean, number one, you could already see the thing right there. One of the big things.
On this week's episode, the forces of evil rise, but never fear. Ultrawatch is here.
Starring Genji Shimada, Cole Cassidy, Vivian Chick, Anna Amari, and of course, Hammond. Cheer on your heroes as they take on
Hammond is a fucking Pokeball now.
new Calamity Empress Ash. And she's not the only one looking for trouble.
Remember who's in charge. See you later. Apagando las luces.
Fuck you, Samba. Fuck you.
Mess with the best and die like the rest.
Nobody watched that part. Okay, this part you can watch.
You call it?
Shiloh, welcome in.
Bring on the mic! Is that all you've got?
I'm not excited about the push maps, but it's better than
Rise
the,
like the sun.
the walking simulators.
day for some mayhem.
Death is whimsical today.
Some of the old, some of the new.
Think you can do my job, do you?
Look at this team. We're gonna do great.
Just give
I'll
me
make
the
this
old
look
control,
easy.
2 control points.
Oh yeah!
That's all I want. 2 control points back. That's
Here
it.
goes nothing.
Look, don't touch.
You've never looked better.
I want that.
And what a play by Lucio!
Welcome back to the final showdown.
Let's put an end to this.
Show me what you're made of.
I want Roadhog. Look, wait. You see? Did you see? Oh, shit. I went way too far back, didn't I?
Show me what you're made of.
Look, he's a goddamn Pokeball. He's a Pokeball. Right there. Yeah. Yes.
We want to watch our victorious. For now.
Wait, okay, now this is the part. Watch this. Watch. Shh. Shh. In case you missed that, I didn't recognize the sound. Oh, I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. You wanna know how excited I am? What tomorrow, on the 20th. You That's how excited I be. Roll out, you say? Oh, oh. Ah, he's falling apart. I don't have a problem. You have a problem. All right. So something that yeah, that we talked about just a little bit ago. I want to try. Has nothing to do with anything really, but we did mention it. Just give me a second here to figure this out because we need more emote, right? Is this the easy mod? Ooh, I hate you hackers. All right. It might go silent for a second here while I try this thingy. Okay, it's definitely gonna go silent here for a second while I do this really quick. But new animated emote going to be coming up soon. Just trust me on this. Yep. Okay. Now let me see it real quick. Remux recordings. What is today? Today is the 19th. Yep. Remuxed. All right. Kaden. Why the hell are you going way down there? Okay. Kaden live. Y'all are getting a look into how the sausage is made. There we go. And how does that line up at the end? Good enough. Good enough. Now, not that, crop dusting. L6001, welcome in. I am doing all right. How about you? Currently, I am working on creating an animated emote. Let me go into my project settings here. Custom. No, yeah. One. Nope, nope. Save that there. Ooh, that hurt. That looks bad. No, 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 no. Okay, now we'll move that all the way back there. Keep it less than the number of seconds that it wants. Gonna effect it. We're going to yeah, definitely crop scale and tilt. Get rid of that, and let's just try zooming on in. And then really quick, color balance up and yeah. Um, okay. Dang, I gotta shrink it down because the limit is 60 or 6 seconds, right? And what is the other part of that? Look at this. I've got 6 open slots here. I've got 12 animated slots. We need to... No. 14 animated slots. Fucking hell. No more than 60 frames. Must be squared. We're going to go as GIF. We're going to... Okay, so then we have to... How can we do this? How can we do this? How would... Project settings. So how... Does anybody know any Kden Live? That's it. I'm ordering pizza. Well, you go, RCB. You go. Now, how many... Can I change this to do it big? I want to see the frame. Frame count. Don't know that I can do that here. RCB, I don't have pizza on my treat stream. All I got is burrito Chinese. Project. But how can I... Ooh. Everything that I have on there, let me. So it's a nice thing. I mean, it's kind of pricey. Not gonna lie. But so the way that it works is I go to like Grubhub or something and choose a choose things, and then just, you know, put the info or put a name on there, and so this was awesome when Jake Blade sent that. You know, that was a great moment in stream history. My first burrito. All right, so we got this. What if I compress it? Let's. No, 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 no. And just get rid of that. Okay, let's get rid of that. Yeah, within reason. I mean, I'm not gonna well, get too weird with it, but Control Enter, GIF. No, fuck it. Let's see what happens. All right, so now we have to get rid of 2 out of. All right, we can do that. We can do that. That's simple, right? Ooh, that's a big ass GIF. Um, see, no, that one. Can let's open with GIMP. So I want to export it as that, and we're going to do the double one in animation, loop forever. And just see how badly it fucked that up. Okay, actually, it's not that bad. All right, great. So, image. Scale image. Nope, we're going to go down 500 pixel. Yeah, there we are. Wait, is there a rule on the Twitch thingy? Of how big they, or how... Okay, B of resolution, there. Max file size, can't be more than 60 frames. Cool. What in the hell? Okay, that's square, but what? Oh, it's only doing the changes. It's only doing that combine, but I don't... What if I don't want to combine it? Can I just select like a buttload of them? No. Okay, so, oh, ads are starting up here soon. So I will be back in about 3 minutes. Okay, back. And this isn't working anywhere easy. I'll come back to that. we will come back to that. So we were looking at I don't know. What are we what we do? Okay, terrain 3D storage type. Okay, so we've got that. Extra list. Can I then here's what I'm curious about. So let's start it running here real quick. And then see here the remote app maker. Okay, none of that really gives me a whole lot. Well, actually, it kind of does. What the hell did I just paste? Oh. Okay, integrating with it. Okay, so we're gonna, break some shit here. Player character. Funk. Back. Terrain. There we go. Check terrain. I'll be damned. All right, now we can look down here at the query. Okay, going back here. Where the fuck is that? Okay, so right now what we're looking at, what we're wanting, what we're hoping to find is that which type of the map will give us details about what the color is behind it or beneath it. Maybe type color. All right, so we'll print the color here. Well, that's just too much. Let's try it like this. Let's see if this is any better. Nope. 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 In 3D. Methods. Storage, get region index. So we need to go back here to terrain 3D storage. Extra ID. Wait a tick. Wait a tick. So unfortunately, it all depends on Grubhub or DoorDash or whatever. Whatever the services that it goes to are. Or are you talking about the throne? Throneless? Oh. This isn't quite what I was expecting, but or wait. Well, let me see. And honestly, seeing vegan food just was a nice thing. Because I don't get a whole lot. You know what my meals are most days right now? Heal. Heal. You know, honestly, you and I support this. If people wanted to, can I let's do this. If people really wanted to, there's a suggest gift. Hello. I don't have alerts. What don't I have alerts? What? RCB? I thought I had alert. I did have alert. I had them turned on at some point, but stupid. I don't think I can show the gifts that showed up with when I searched for vegan under the suggested. I'm just gonna hide those. RCB, holy shit. Why didn't alert go off? Oh, or actually, I think that it was a streamer bot thing. Yes, I've got a burrito coming. Compliments of RCB. Hold on. RCB, you are a hero. They're off. So, okay. I haven't put a lot of effort into... Ow. I haven't put a ton of effort into doing those alerts, because honestly, you're the second person in a year. But I got a phone alert, so I've got to keep track of that. But yes. But I was just checking to make sure that that was a thing. But okay, we've got this. Let's create an action for it right now. Under experimental. Actually. Actually. Well, actually. RCB. Holy shit. All right, so let's look at let's just close all these tabs. That's too many tab. Base scene, raid alert. Gotta get rid of the minis there. And then add in the globals. Excuse me. Interesting. Now, I can't really do anything. I can't really do anything in StreamerBot there. It's not yet. So let's create a new one. And let's see where I gotta keep an eye on that, because last time it did take like an hour and a half to get here, but I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. This is not me complaining. This is me being thankful for each and every one of you. Especially those of you who send burritos my way. All right, so vegan protein. Well, I've got this open. Really? I don't know. That's weird. Maybe it's for the best, because I'm afraid of. It has a suggest button here for me. Nope. But when I browse the store, and there's a lot of cool looking stuff here. But when I search for vegan, cover your eyes, children. Cover your eyes. This is what comes up when I search for vegan. And I'm about to get terms of service. I'm gonna try it on my thingy here, because this was a thing. You know what? It's like Huel. Nope. I don't think that I can find that. But you know what we can do? You know what we can do right now? We can go to our friend Science. Ooh. No, I want it. I don't want that. I want it. But we can suggest some gifts for Science. Like this. And then what else can we suggest? You know, there's going to be some weird... Okay. Oh, well, you know... We're gonna suggest those shark things that came up. And then how about some more? Let's browse. Ants. You know what we should do is just a bunch. Here we go. Why? We should just like suggest. Come on, throne. Jesus fucking Christ. You know what? I think Balint would look great in this. I I think he's going to look wonderful when that arrives. If anybody pitches in for it. Okay, where was this? Vegan foods. Error blocked by client. Oh, come on. This is all stuff that should not be. Well, no wonder it doesn't. I don't think it's the term. Or is it? You know, what the fuck? Oh, well. What do we got here? Wait, is this something that... Because some of these get weird and are like... Okay, it's in stock, so it gets purchased that way. Because some of them are like really weird where the money comes to me and then I have to go through and do that stuff. I don't know what the process is. Oop. Gotta check the email. Ooh. That is actually a good deal. For as much as I used to pay for these when I go to the gas station. Wait, what? What? I can't add it? You're broken, Throne. You're broke. You have to like do more? No. Okay, so much for the one thing I see on here that I recognize. I'm like, yeah, gimme, gimme, gimme. There's a lot wrong with this site. Those better be the best fucking cookies ever. Oh, Amazon results. Cool. Cool. Ooh, are there any Sakura gummy in here? Are there any Sakura gummy? Oh. Now I'm more hungry and I don't even vegan. Well, you know, Sakura gummy long is the inspiration for.
Long, long,
Hot monkey nuts. Okay, are these? Oh, they're vegan. I love these. Let's get some. Let's put some Cinnamonkey sprays. Okay. And then, of course, we need Nacho Mama's nuts. And, you know, we wouldn't be missed, or we wouldn't want to miss out on Curry Up, I'm on Fire, or Jamaican Me Sweat. Jamaican Me Sweat, I think, is and let's see. Yeah, why not? If somebody gets these, I will eat them on stream. That's a lot of nuts. That'll be $5, baby. I love that movie. I think that that covers about as much as we're gonna see looking for the ooh, what was that? Well, I really, really, really hope that that Balint is streaming right now and sees that. Let's check really quick, because I probably need to. Oh no, no Balint. He's not around for Whack'em Wednesday right now. Or is he? No, he's not. When's he scheduled? Because I want to see his reaction to that, like looking through. Oh, these are some nice suggestions, you know.
The word dreams are coming through. We believe in each other.
You know.
Believing in the dream.
Oh, he did it earlier today.
The dream is coming through. Wow. The dream.
Oh, you know, this is a good idea. Did you see that? These. Oh no! I don't want to buy it for him. I want it for me. It's on Amazon. God damn it. But the suggestion being like, yeah, nice slippers. What the hell is this goth corset doing in my wish list? All right, so we have completely derailed. But I was looking here. Oh yeah, what was I trying to figure out? Okay, but where the hell is the integration showing up though? Yeah, there's that action. But this doesn't, why, what? That's the thing to hook into it, but it doesn't have the thing to like be like, hello, food's a coming. Oh, wait, no, there it is. So the thing can happen here. But then when it happens and we have to do something with it. What did I just add a trigger to? Okay, food. Okay. Sub actions. Core. I think I did something like with the credits, new credits test, custom code event. Here we go. When that happened, it executes the code, and the code registers a custom trigger. And then that is where okay, so that didn't do it. So this is definitely not refreshing when it should, but all right, so that does that. Custom code event. And then I think I have a, because that came from the Godot overlay, right? So base scene, credits. Okay, so there's just an event, and it just listens for this shit. If response event source is raw, and if it's type action, if it has credits, event name credits event, args credit true, event name credits event, turn true. So really all that happens here is if the scene is changed there, then it executes the code that sends out. I think this is, no, that's not a, it's a custom code event that I have to create somewhere. Now, where the hell? Oh, ads are probably starting up here, aren't they? Ads are going. Undeclared X, welcome in. Good to see you. Yeah, but I I need to stretch. Like Jitspo says, after these stretches is the RBs. All right, back after my short break. But apparently mine is going to be delivered between now and half an hour from now. So from the look of it, here and undeclared. Yes, I'm probably gonna change this around quite a bit, but right now it's a lot of testy stuff. Event source raw action. I forgot how to. Do I just credits test? No, credits execute code. Cancel. And then what was that in the test here? Custom code event. Raw. Trigger. Okay. Documentation here is just lagging. So if I'm thinking about this correctly, the way I did it with the credits here is this is triggered. It executes. Credits event. Triggers a code event, triggered credits. And this one, we just register one. So maybe I don't have to here. Let's do this. Cancel. Now, custom treat stream that now let's see over here. Pending actions, no. So that's not showing up at all here. Oh, hold on. Hello? All right, he was just that was delivery, just letting me know that he's on the way, about 10 minutes away. I don't want that. I just want a. Okay, so that is not working as expected, because what I'm expecting to see is when that happens, core. Here, let me do this. Woger, how's it going? Doing okay. I'm actually getting ready to raid out because Burrito is on the way. Burrito. So that didn't work, but repeating the notification doesn't work. So that's gonna be hard. That's gonna be hard to test unless I'm like, hey, everybody send me a burrito right now. You're not human? Why aren't you human? All right, well, that is not seeming to work. Wolger, well, regardless, I appreciate you being here. Let's see who we can raid to. I can go enjoy my burrito. I will tell you all about it tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, I have an interview at 9:30 Central. So I'm not going to start until after that. So it's going to be a little bit later than usual. But we're probably going to just, instead of doing 2 separate streams, we might, this is, I think there's a weird, but surprise burrito. All right, we went to Quellis last night.
Long, long
Perfect. Who should we share the love with tonight? Let's go with rated me. Who's rated me? Okay, we did Quellis last night. Kodo Strangers. He's still starting up. Otherwise, we'd go to Hero. Seriously, is she still going? We're gonna go to Nan. She is awesome. Haven't been there in a while. She's been here.
We just simply created.
Interesting. And it sounds like food is here.
Feature.
So, folks on YouTube, appreciate ya.